Welcome back to another quick guide. Today we'll walk you through how to shoot black and white video on iPhone. If you want to shoot black and white video on your iPhone, follow these easy steps. Open the camera app. Unlock your iPhone and launch the camera app. Switch to photo mode. Swipe left or right to choose photo mode. Access filters. Tap the arrow at the top of the screen to reveal more settings. Tap the filters icon or the three circles at the bottom right. Choose a black and white filter. Choose a black and white filter such as mono, silver tone, or noir. Adjust lighting. If needed, tap the screen to adjust exposure and make the black and white effect more dramatic. If you prefer to. Start recording. Hold the white button to start filming. Stop and review. Tap the red button again to stop recording. Go to your Photos app to review your black and white video. Edit or enhance. If you want more control, just open the Photos app again, choose your video, tap Edit, and adjust the filters, contrast, and brightness for a perfect black and white effect. Your black and white video is now ready to share. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.